Oh, I got lost on the way to you in an orange sky by the ocean blue. Every mile lost, my soul renewed, taken by the...
Everyone is so happy. We are on our way to the ferry that will take us to Westman Island. It's the largest and only inhabited island in Iceland.
Westman Islands are the best kept secret in Iceland. They are a group of 16 islands and the main island is called the Heimaey. It's the only inhabited island with a population of 4,300. Book your ferry tickets ahead of time if you plan to bring your car to the island. There are beautiful glamping and camping options available for a really reasonable price if you plan to stay there overnight. But we had a day trip here and we were able to cover a lot of places. Bringing our car was a smart choice. We started our trip with the puffin lookout spot, which is the end of the island. You can watch plenty of puffins here if you are able to come early morning or evening. But we had no luck on finding puffins this time. This place is called the windiest place in Iceland, and it feels like the edge of the world. We are heading our second destination, the famous Elephant Head Rock Formation. It's located next to a beautiful golf course. This rock was formed naturally during a volcanic activity. Heading towards our third destination. Sprang is a local sport. In the early days, the locals practiced to swing on the rope for egg hunting. In recent years, classes are held during summer so children can safely learn this sport.
Walking slowly in the mountains underneath the constellations. Yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me.
Did you have lots of fun here? Let's go.
We can't leave this island without having an experience of hiking up a hill. So here we are, fulfilling our dream. This location is right next to Sprang.
Climbing down would be hard, really hard. All right.
We couldn't hike all the way up the hill, but the view from here is also spectacular. Now we are heading towards the Stave Church, which is located right by the harbor. This church is a wooden structure gifted to Iceland by Norway on the 1000th anniversary of Iceland's conversion of Christianity.
Wait here. No? He just said he wanted to sit here.
Don't touch.
He says do not touch. Do not touch. Look, finger and then cross.
To you in an orange sky by the ocean blue. Every mile.
At the end of the day, we ended up eating in one of the famous restaurants here named Got. Food was delicious, but of course overpriced as eating out in Iceland is very expensive.
Constellations, yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me. Time is losing all its meaning, like I'm living in a dream, and I've been chasing.
Here I found out that I left my purse next to Sprang while hiking up the hill. But it was almost time to get back to the ferry for the mainland. When I came back to the ferry with a broken heart, a miracle happened. They announced my name and asked me to come to the ferry cafeteria to get my purse back. Someone found my purse and left it here at the ferry, as all the tourists would be taking this ferry to go back to mainland. There are many beautiful countries in the world, but I don't know how many countries have honest people like this. I fell in love with this land and the people here. Iceland, one of the peaceful and safe countries in the world.
In the dark of night.
Up next, visiting the most attractive shooting spot of Bollywood song Gerua, Iceland's most famous glacier lagoon and one of the best canyon of Iceland. Subscribe to my channel to watch all my Iceland series and like my videos if you find them useful.